Good morning, friends. Today we're gonna do a finger play. It's called Two Little Birds. Put your thumbs up. Two little birds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and the other named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Two little birds sitting in a row. One named Fast and the other named Slow. Fly away, Fast. Fly away, slow. Come back, Fast. Come back, slow. Two little birds sitting in a cloud. One named Soft and the other named Loud. Fly away, Soft. Fly away, Loud. Come back, Soft. Come back, Loud. Two little birds sitting in your tent. One named Happy and the other named Sad. Fly away, Happy. Fly away, Sad. Come back, Happy. Come back, Sad. Two little birds sitting on a gate. One named Early and the other named Late. Fly away, Early. Fly away, Late. Late. Ooh. Come back, Early. Come back, late. Or late. Late. I hope you like it.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Now be sure to hit that subscribe button and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.